ደጆቹ ተዘግተው ውስጤ የገባው ድምፅ ልቤን አሸበተ። ልጄ ልጄ ያለች ብትጮህ ሰምቼ አብሬያት አዘንኩኝ እንቅልፌን አጥቼ። ንጉሴ ሆይ ሺህ ዓመት ንገስ፣ ፊት አልቆምኩም በሐሰት። እውነት አለኝ ተበዳይ ነኝ፣ ያንተ ፍትህ ምታኖረኝ።
አለ በዙፋኑ ንጉሥ፣ አለ በዙፋኑ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን፣ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን። አለ በዙፋኑ ንጉሥ፣ አለ በዙፋኑ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን፣ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን።
እርግጥ ልጇ ሞቶ በሕይወት የለም ዛሬ፣ ይህንን አውቃለሁ ነበርኩኝ አብሬ። ምናልባት የእሳት የመሰላት እርሷ የብዙዎች ስህተት ነው ውሸታም ናት እርሷ። የኔ ልጅ ነው የኔ ልጅ ነው ጌታ ያውቃል ከፋዬን። ፍረድልኝ እኔ አልዋሽም፣ አትውሰጂው አይጠቅምሽም።
አለ በዙፋኑ አለ በዙፋኑ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን፣ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን። አለ በዙፋኑ አለ በዙፋኑ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን፣ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን።
ንጉሥ በአእላፍ እስራኤል እልፍ ጉዳይ በዚህ ጊዜ ያጣል። ምናልባት ግን ሴቶቹ እንደሚሉት የሚከራከሩበት ሕፃን ይሄ ከሆነ ሕፃኑ በሰይፍ ለሁለት ይሰንጠቅ፣ የበድኑን ክፋይ እኩል ይድረሳቸው።
ባይሆን ይሄ ይሻላል ተገቢ ነው ፍርዱ፣ ሕፃኑ ሚሰንጠቅ ሁለት ይሁን አንዱ። እኔም ላንቺ ማይሆን ልቡና ያምርሯል፣ የማን ልጅ ተከብሮ የማን ልጅ ይኖራል። ንጉሴ ሆይ እባክህን አትግደለው አንዱን ልጅ፣ ባይሆን ስጣት ከነ ሕይወቱ፣ እንዴት ይሞት ያለ ኃጢአቱ።
አለ በዙፋኑ አለ በዙፋኑ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን፣ ይፈርዳል አይፈርድም አልዘን።
አሁን የሕፃኑ እናት በግልጽ ታውቃለች። አንደኛዋ ሴት በሕፃኑ ላይ የተፈረደበት የሞት ፍርድ ሲያስደስታት አይተናል። ሁለተኛዋ ግን ይህን የሞት ፍርድ በጭራሽ የማትቀበለው ሆኖ አግኝተናል። በዚህም የተፈጥሮ ጠባይ ሕፃኗ ይሙት እያለች ስትጮህ የሰማናት ሴት በእርግጥ የሕፃኑ እናት መሆኗን አረጋግጠናል። ስለዚህ አሁን ፍጠኑና ይህን የሚያምር ሕፃን ከዚህች አመፀኛ ሴት እጅ ላይ ነጥቃችሁ ለእውነተኛዋና ስጡልኝ።
አለ በዙፋኑ
What reason? I say you come here. Come here. For what reason? You mean? It's okay. Thank you so much. I'll meet you there. It's okay. You mean you did all this?
Yes.
And you never eat against my mother? Ella, what's your reason?
I don't want more than enough.
Ella, are you mad?
No.
Are you stupid?
No, sir.
Mama, who is that Jesus?
Hey! No! No. Baby, please.
Are you stupid? What's going on this?
I'm sorry. It is the handwork of the devil.
You broke my television and tell me that it's the handwork of the devil. Are you mad?
No, sir.
And look at what you did to my television. And you are right now telling me that it's the handwork of the devil.
Baby, no!
Devil works. I will tell you that devil works in himself.
Baby, don't do it. Baby, no, I love you so much.
You are being very stupid.
Yeah, Mama, are you watching your son do this to me? Hey, my baby, oh, baby.
You are telling me that it's the handwork of the devil.
Baby, no, they don't do that. I'm crying.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Are you stupid?
I'm crying. I need to come back to the village.
Mama, come, Mama.
I don't belong here. I don't belong
Mama,
here.
Mama, it's okay.
You have tormented my life, this girl. What have I done to you?
The only thing you should do is that I, your son, love you so much. Mama, calm down.
You have maltreated me so bad. Look at all my money paying me.
No, I can never support anyone being against my
It's
mother.
because I heard when she's making call, telling somebody to bring baby. She wants to adopt a baby and she wants to take injection that will make her tummy to be coming up. And I overheard her. I'm telling her not to do that. That God will give her her own child in due time. She decided
Mama, it's okay.
to adopt me. Oh, because she wants to adopt a baby. This
Mama, it's okay. You mean my wife planned
yes.
adopting a baby?
Yes.
And I can remember 2 days ago she told me that she was pregnant.
Yes. She wants to do adoption.
It's okay. Are you pregnant or not?
I'm not.
You're not pregnant? And you collected $3,000 from me the first day. That you were going for an antenatal. Eh? That you'll be registering yourself on an antenatal. This is story for another day. Come down. I'm coming for you, Mama. Come on, please. Mama, please. Come on. I'm going nowhere.
Look at what you did to my son's television. Look at what you have done to my son's television.
Let me tell you something. You see the television? I'm giving you just 2 hours to replace it. Shh. I'm just giving you 2 hours to replace the television. Or else you see the side of me.
Oh, okay, sir. Hi.